How to increase font size on Snapchat. Open the Snapchat. Go to Chats, write the message. If you want to increase the font size, go back. Go to Settings. Click on Display. Click on Display and Text Size. Increase the text size and display size. Go back to Snapchat. Go to Chat. And see the font size now. That's how you can increase the font size on Snapchat. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.